The hearing at London's High Court Monday was the last legal hope for WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange to halt his imminent extradition to the United States. The judges ruled that a full appeal hearing must be held into whether the Australian citizen would be able to rely on the US First Amendment right to free speech in an American court. Assange's lawyers successfully argued that US government assurances over his ability to rely on those First Amendment rights were inadequate. A new appeal process could take months or years.
This is good news because it means that the Julian Assange case can now proceed to a hearing that will substantively consider the freedom of expression arguments.
Assange was not in court due to ill health. His wife, Stella, said it was the correct ruling.
As a family, we're relieved. But how long can this go on? The United States should read the situation and drop this case now.
US prosecutors have filed 18 charges against Assange relating to allegations of hacking and theft of classified material. In 2010, WikiLeaks published thousands of stolen diplomatic cables relating to the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, which Assange said exposed abuses by the United States military. The US government argues his actions went beyond journalism by soliciting, stealing and indiscriminately publishing classified government documents that endangered innocent lives. But Assange's supporters say the case sets a vital precedent.
What Julian Assange is being prosecuted for is something journalists do all the time. They receive classified material that exposes war crimes or alleged war crimes, crimes against humanity, serious human rights violations. And when it's in the public interest, they publish those documents.
Assange has spent the past 5 years in a high-security prison. In the coming months, he will have the right to bring a new appeal before the British courts, where he will argue that the US judicial system would deny him his right to free speech. Henry Ridgwell, VOA News, London.